I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
Alright, guys, today we've got a full on sovereign citizen meltdown. And this one's off the charts. Unlike the rest of us normal humans who don't feel the need to announce it, this guy proudly declares he's a * living man, standing on his 2 feet, with blood in his body. * like, congrats. Buddy, you're alive. Want a medal? But it gets even better. He actually threatens to *** sue the judge. ***, yeah. Pro tip, that's a massive no-no in court. This dude is completely out of his mind. And honestly, you've just got to see it to believe it. So strap in, let's dive into this wild courtroom circus and watch how this disaster unfolds. And of course, let me know in the comments what you think of this guy. School.
What's your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust. And I'm not operating a vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As
or
I
jury in this
understand,
matter.
as I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Jurisdiction hasn't been proven. Really? Then why are you sitting there in handcuffs, rocking that ugly striped jumpsuit? It's almost like, you * under the jurisdiction of the state. Buddy, this guy is giving off major *. I've watched too many YouTube videos. Now I'm a legal expert * energy. He acts like he's about to drop some groundbreaking truth bomb, but all we're hearing is a jumble of nonsense from someone who clearly doesn't know what he's talking about. Honestly, I wish the judge would just snap back and say, *, it's not my job to prove jurisdiction, it's your job to prove otherwise. *, because if you're gonna roll into court with this script, at least come prepared. This isn't the worst sovereign citizen we've seen, but let's be real, this dude isn't winning any prizes for brains either. What do you guys think of him? Let's jump back in and see how this train wreck continues.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
I am.
Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice. and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
There's just no way this guy should be walking out if the judge lets him go today. You can see it in his attitude. He'd commit the same crimes he's accused of 100 times over without even blinking. This is the type of dude who looks like he'd rob a bank and then demand a refund. Or better yet, pull a hit and run just because he doesn't believe in insurance. Like, who needs it, right? That's exactly the kind of reckless mindset he gives off. It's wild how some people genuinely act like the law doesn't apply to them. And honestly, I get it. The judge probably doesn't want to let him out. But what do we do with people like this? Extend their sentences? Lock them down harder? Because at this point, it feels like that's the only real option. Anyway, let's dive back into the madness.
I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative. Do you have
a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
No way. He actually just threatened the judge. He straight up said he'd add her to his lawsuit if she didn't let him out of jail. Like, dude, who exactly do you think you are? Honestly, I'm surprised the judge didn't go off on him right then and there. If it were me, I would have taken that threat and slammed him with the book. And no, not a literal book. The law. You get what I mean? I'm not saying sovereign citizens should be treated differently in court, but a threat like that? That's a whole new level of stupid. That should have gotten him put in his place immediately. What do you guys think about this judge so far? She's been pretty chill, but should she have laid down the law harder? Or do you think she's playing it smart by keeping her cool?
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice? Janvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her, zero bond, until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket
cap name
of
was
no insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
This guy really thought he was going to walk out of there. Huh? Honestly, I can't wait to post part 2 of this hearing when I track it down, so stay tuned for that. But seriously, what did you guys think of this clown? He's definitely one of the most annoying overreign citizens we've seen so far. And of all their dumb arguments, lack of jurisdiction has got to be the worst. It never works. None of them do. It's just an obvious stalling tactic, like they think they are buying time when really, they are just digging a deeper hole. As for the judge, I think she could have been stricter. But maybe she's letting him expose himself even more, just giving him rope to hang himself with. Either way, this whole hearing was a disaster from the start, and I can't wait to see how it all plays out in the end. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think the judge should have laid down the law order, or was she smart to play the long game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Alright guys, I'm wrapping it up here. Make sure to like and subscribe for more wild courtroom content. I post every single day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.